Boom shakalaka, we are inches away from a market crash. Why Bitcoin need not be concerned. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why we are moments away from a general market crash, but Bitcoin seems poised to do pretty darn well. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed at 63, same as yesterday, the overall market. Sideways from yesterday, Bitcoin at 28,341, Ethereum at 1812, BNB at 313, XRP 51 cents, Cardano 39 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon $1.11, and Solana $20.48. And the top coins today based on artificial intelligence would be Anchor, IoTeX, Volt Inu, TrueFi, and Ren. And if you want to check out Token Metrics for yourself, there's a free trial down in the description. Now Bitcoin still just hanging on the upper band of this ascending trend, and we just continue watching it. Could potentially break down. We might find support around $25,000, a convergence of this 50-day moving average and previous resistance right here, or we may break through 30, head to 40. So it's anyone's ballgame. But right now, the overall market's not looking good. DXY has been rejected by its 50-week moving average. Bearish rejection on MACD has increased the probability of further downside. We could see that heading down. We also see volatility incoming. The market has been very optimistic recently, but caution is warranted in the near term. VIX is now close to its 2018 macro uptrend line. We can see this trend right here. Reaction is going to be pivotal. Volatility is about to spike, about to increase. Something is about to happen. Could head down for the overall market, could head up. But Bitcoin doesn't seem to care. Many are seeing right now the 20 moving average, 20 monthly moving average as the resistance that will block Bitcoin's current rally. We're coming up against it. Well, according to past cycles, after finding its bottom, Bitcoin has it in sight and goes right through it, blows right through that 20 weekly moving average. Shouldn't be much of an obstacle for Bitcoin this time. Why? Well, we have a lot of people taking money out of banks. You might have heard of some banking collapses recently. Silicon Valley Bank, Silvergate Bank, any other bank. People kind of lost faith in their banks. They're taking money out of banks. The largest financial flight since the financial crisis of 2008, and previous to that would be the dot-com crisis, where people are taking money out of the banks. Now, where are they going to put it? Now, they have something that they didn't have in 2008. They have Bitcoin. They can own their own money. They don't have to rely on banks or institutions to do that for them. Bitcoin right now is just returning to its 3-month equilibrium. Found between the Kijun and Tenkan, it's currently between $35,000 and $42,000. Bitcoin's approaching it. Once it's reached, we'll decide whether it's a continuation or a correction. You can see that historically, we had a little bit of continuation here. We had a correction here, and then continuation. We'll kind of have to see once we get to those levels where Bitcoin is particularly headed. We do know from looking at the money flow index that it has repeated a bottoming pattern we have seen since 2011. Each time has predicted the bottom, and after that, we saw massive Bitcoin rallies. We've also finally closed a monthly candle above the EMA ribbon this past month of March. So another strong signal that the bear market is over. Normally, we should never see prices below the EMA ribbon again unless a COVID-like black swan, like we saw right back here. But each time previously, that was pretty much last time Bitcoin was below those prices. And the one thing that could send Bitcoin astronomically higher is supply shock that nobody really talks about anymore. But this is what drove Bitcoin up historically. This will likely be what drives it up again. The percent of Bitcoin circulating supply has not moved in at least 2 years, has gone parabolic. Look at this. It was pretty much stagnant here, and then boom, has shot up in 2023. If you have held Bitcoin for 2 years and you're not the government, you're most likely not interested in selling at these levels. Yeah, most likely. Most people are like, yeah, it's barely gone up anything. So nobody's going to be selling. As soon as people want to be buying, that's going to send the price higher and higher and higher. And then it'll send more people to buy, which will send the price higher, higher, higher. And then because the price is going higher, more people will want to buy, which will send the price higher, higher, higher. So have a little bit of patience. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, If you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.